One said this. This is, may Allah give it to all of us. He said, sign you love him, which actually you love anybody. You give him your will, your resolve, your actions, and your time and your money. The one that you love, the best of your time, the best of your money, the best of your ability to the person you love. If you do this with Allah, then you love him. What do we do? As one of my teachers one time looked at me and says, don't give Allah the leftover time of yours. She was right. When I was reading Quran to her, and obviously I was very tired, and she said, don't give Allah the leftover. When somebody gives you leftover, what do you say? If you are very polite and you're going to say, no, thank you, I'm not hungry, right? And if this is somebody you know, is like, I'm not eating the leftover. And we give Allah our leftover time. I will never remember this word. How did she use it to hit a point? So he says, the sign you love Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you give him the best of everything, best of your time, best of your money, best of your resolve, best of your focus.